Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since we have done a video, and you'll notice I am standing in this garage spot. So what does that mean? That means that car is out and about. Let's check it out. So I am totally out of time, but I at least need to do a quick video of this thing. He's on his way to pick it up. So check that out. Oh, that car is so sick. So sick. The engine bay. Man, those catch cans. Oof. This panel back here. I mean, this thing just turned out amazing. Amazing. Let's get to the interior. Just doing a quick walk around. Like I said, we are out of time. He is on his way. He should be here any minute. Carpet. He's got a seat cover, but I just don't have it. That steering wheel, the Fueltech dash, the actual dash, Zeus fastened on. Can't see any of the wiring now. Water tank. The Lexan is in. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Oof. Got the parachute back on. Let's see if we can open this real quick. All the panels are back in, the carbon. Painted cage. I hate to be that kind of guy, but this thing's like a masterpiece. Let's really appreciate this. Look at that. Look at that. Carpeted back there too, all the way up to the carbon. We don't have the CO2 bottle, so that's why the line's just hanging out back there. Carbon fiber door panels. Carbon fiber roof. Lexan is in. I probably already said that. Look at that exhaust. New headlights. Man, oh man. This thing has been an amazing project. We're gonna get his reaction. We'll get some idle video here in a little bit. Maybe of it loading up, but it is done. It's got a few things left to button up before it's race ready, but I went and drove it last night. Look at that. Man.
Seating position is okay though.
That's good for you?
Yeah.
That's good.
I can see where you're real tight.
Yeah, I don't fit in it too good. Naturally. You don't talk to me about street cars. That's one. And here it goes. No, it's staying in.
Has it got plenty of room for the D-rings back there?
Yeah, they're at the back bumper. The second set is. The first set is like 6 inches behind the tire.
Okay. We might have to bring her up a little.
Huh?
So we might have to bring
Put it in neutral, we'll push it.
Okay, I can't come on. Alright, I'm in neutral. Oh. Ready?
You are slow.
Slow, I'm pushing. That's the stupidest statement ever.
I said we're on a slope.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh.
Is that over my foot? No big deal.
Is this good, bad, what?
Looks like it's fine.
How's your eyes up there, buddy?
It's
Are they burning a little bit?
pretty ridiculous.
Alright,
streetcar methanol.
Are you trapped in there?
Yes.
I locked you from the outside.
Right.
Alright, so there you have it. The Camaro's gone. The project's completed. We got a few buttoning up things to do that he's going to do to get it race ready. Hopefully we're testing that thing within a few weeks. Like I said, a few odds and ends, but it's pretty well race ready. The wiring's 100% complete. All the issues we've had over the last, several months have been resolved, and the car's good. A lot of roadblocks along the way, a lot of unforeseen stuff. But in the end, I mean, that's kind of building a race car, right? You're always going to have unforeseen stuff, and you're always going to have roadblocks, and so on and so forth. So I feel like he was really happy with it. I was really happy with how it turned out. It's super clean and legit, and I mean, I'm really happy with how that car turned out. So yeah, on to the next thing, right? I need to do a garage update. I think that's going to be my next video, so hang tight. If you got any questions or something about the Camaro build, put them down in the comments, ask below. If you got any questions, you want me to answer, and the garage update, I'm going to kind of do just a hangout video and talk about what's going on with the garage. I already have a new car behind here, not me, but like a new car to work on. So I'll be talking about that, and then maybe we'll talk a little bit about my Mustang. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see about that one. We'll see. But, so anyways, long story short, Camaro's finished up. Happy with how it turned out. Really, I really can't be appreciative enough of Aaron and them letting me be a part of that project. I'm really proud to be a part of that car, and I can't wait to see him out there getting comfortable, getting testing with it, and then, in due time, I'm sure he'll be out there racing with it. But first, shakedown passes, get comfortable in the car, and work out the, kinks. I'm sure there's going to be, a few bugs we got to work out. So there's kind of wrap up that video, wrap up that wiring series and that car. On to the next one. Got a lot of cool projects coming on. So be sure to stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, be sure you're subscribed. Hit that little notification bell. I'm sure if you're hanging around this long in the video, you've already got all that. But anyways, we'll see you in the next one.